Hey everyone, it's Harley Marino with SoundGuys coming to you live from CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Now, if you didn't already know, Sennheiser just launched their flagship true wireless earbuds for 2024, the Momentum True Wireless 4. And with such a big announcement, we decided to head over to Sennheiser, who were kind enough to let us get up close and personal with their flagship buds of 2024, and they were even able to walk us through some features that they weren't able to cover during the press event, some stuff that you probably don't even know about, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So let's start with the design. If you look at the Momentum True Wireless 4, you'll see that it looks very similar to its predecessor, with the fabric-adorned charging case and the metal housing on the earbuds. However, Sennheiser did release this new copper black color, and I gotta say, I'm quite a fan, because you don't see a lot of copper-colored earbuds on the market. Now, just like its predecessor, the earbuds still use a capacitive touch sensor, and from my experience using the earbuds, they were quite responsive, no complaints there. And when I put the earbuds in my ear, I felt that there was just enough pressure on my ear, didn't feel like I was so much in the vacuum, even with ANC enabled, so pretty comfortable build overall. And looks great too. Now, of course, as this is the latest generation ANC earbuds from Sennheiser, they have improved the adaptive ANC performance on these earbuds. Now, obviously, I don't have our SoundGuys testing suite here in Las Vegas, but based on my ears, I did feel like the ANC performance of these earbuds were quite impressive. When we were listening to the earbuds, we were outside on a balcony on a moderately windy day in Vegas, and there were airplanes overflying us, and I didn't hear really any outside noise. I was really into my music, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if these performed great on my flight back to Vancouver. And we're definitely excited to get these earbuds into our labs for proper ANC testing, but based on my listening experience, I definitely think the Momentum True Wireless 4 have what it takes to go toe-to-toe with the likes of Bose, Sony, and Apple. So stay tuned for our testing. Now, moving into sound quality, I thought the earbuds sounded pretty good. It actually reminded me of the sound signature of Bose's other over-ear headphones and even the Momentum True Wireless 3. Personally, I felt that bass notes were a little louder than I would prefer, and again, I also noticed a bit of underemphasis in the treble region, so sounds like high octave synths and some guitar harmonic plucks sounded a little quieter than I would prefer. However, again, just like with other Sennheiser products, you can go into the Sennheiser Smart Control app and EQ the buds to your liking. Now, we know these earbuds look good, and to me, they sound good and have good ANC, but let's get into some of the big features of these earbuds, and that has to go into the connectivity section of this video. These Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 earbuds are one of the first earbuds this year to feature Bluetooth 5.4, which is the latest iteration, and it also has Snapdragon sound, which means that you'll be able to use the aptX lossless codec, which delivers CD-like quality listening over Bluetooth. Now, besides lossless audio, Snapdragon Sound also delivers ultra-low latency audio streaming and voice back channel, which means that these earbuds might actually be a great pair of gaming earbuds. Especially that voice back channel feature, which essentially allows you to communicate with your teammates while you're gaming with the buds. And that's a feature that you don't really see with true wireless earbuds until now. And on top of that, these earbuds, of course, will have support for Auracast. Now, if you don't already know what Auracast is, it's essentially an emerging technology that's going to allow users to tune into public broadcast stations, whether you're at the airport or at the mall or at the museum or even the movie theater, and you'll be able to tune into these stations without having to go through the arduous pairing process that plagues traditional Bluetooth. So for example, if you're at an airport, with Auracast, you'll be able to tune into, let's say, your gate's broadcast station so that you don't miss important announcements regarding your flight. If you're in the movie theater, you could use Auracast to maybe one day tune into an Auracast channel that has the movie in your native language. Now, Sennheiser was kind enough to show us a demo of what Auracast could look like with the Momentum True Wireless 4. Now, granted, everything is still in development right now. The broadcasting hardware is very much still being developed, and Sennheiser still has some kinks to work out with the software. And of course, there are also just no Auracast broadcasts out there right now. But as the technology develops, as Sennheiser and Qualcomm work together to refine the tech, and as more Auracast broadcast stations start to pop up, expect to see Auracast added as a feature later down the line rather than it being available at launch. So again, don't expect Auracast available at launch. It will come later. And, it's already good that the Momentum True Wireless 4 has the hardware to support this near future tech. And really quickly, other connection improvements include the fact that Sennheiser has sped up the connection time when pairing the buds and using the Sennheiser Smart Control app, and there is now dynamic voice switching from the left earbud to the right earbud or vice versa when you're taking a call and you want to swap earbuds and only use one. And lastly, one big improvement with the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 is its improved mic quality. Now, Sennheiser was able to improve the mic quality by switching to lower noise microphones. And let me tell you, Sennheiser does know a thing or two about mics. I mean, I'm talking into one right now. Now, with these new low noise microphones, Sennheiser was able to create a 6 mic array with 3 mics per ear, 1 going into your ear, and then 2 beamforming mics to actually capture your voice. And on top of that, Sennheiser is able to use an on-device AI algorithm made possible by Snapdragon Sound in order to better isolate your voice and process your vocals for, again, improved clarity in your voice. And if that's not enough for you, Sennheiser is actually leveraging its experience with call center technology and implementing it into the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4. For example, if you're taking a call, it might be uncomfortable having the audio sound like it's just coming from the center channel. So instead, Sennheiser is trying to increase your call comfort by making the voice that you're hearing sound like it's coming in front of you rather than just the center channel, which is a neat trick that I haven't really seen from other earbuds. Now granted, this feature is not exactly finalized, so there is a chance it may show up during launch, or it might just become a future firmware update down the road. Now, if these flagship earbuds appeal to you, don't worry, you won't have to wait too long to pre-order your own pair. Pre-orders will start on February 15, and these earbuds will cost you $299.95. Now, we can't wait to get these buds into our labs for testing, but until then, make sure to like, subscribe, check out our other headphone reviews on SoundGuys.com, and make sure to stay tuned to the channel for our full coverage of CES 2024. I'm Harley Moran with SoundGuys, and until next time, happy listening.